Hey guys, it's Amber Simone coming back to you today. So I haven't made a video in God knows how long, but today is the 4th of July and I'm going to take you on my adventures. So I'll see you. Alright, so we just made it out here on 169th Street. Brandon, are you that excited? We're about to get fireworks. Alright guys, so it's buy one get one free fireworks. We out here, we got the Phantom Adventure backpacks for $1.99. Added on a few crackling balls, like $3.99 for each. Let's go check it out. Hawthorne Boulevard, 169th Street, come get your fireworks.
Baby, use the knee pads, even the sticky icky, baby, give me kitty kitty. Killer, West Side, nigga.
I can't think of, there's not even any point in going down there. We should just probably find parts of it. I was cutting up the key, trying to serve it to the street. You don't baby set. Push, 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 push. How about cut it, nigga, proceed. Over. Oh my God, my fit is fantastic. Oh my God, my fit is fantastic. Oh my God, my fit is fantastic. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Alright, so we finally made it. Brandon's a little lit. A little cute though. Where did we park? We parked on Avenue G, Pacific Coast, by the Chevron Car Wash. We finally made it to our destination.
Yo, my bad. We live, baby.
This is a personal fave. Alright, y'all, so this is a personal favorite song of mine. It's called Get You by Daniel Caesar, EP Part 2. That was extra.
To drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Who would have thought I'd get you?
Hey.
If I tell you, say I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby.
Alright, work. Okay.
At the rate I am reading that shit though.
Alright guys, so this is Angie. It's Ans and Angie. This is Alex. Turn up.
Yeah.
We're at the beach. We're down the beach right now. It's 4th of July. You know, a few lit activities. Waiting for the fireworks at 12. And this is it. What is this malarkey? Oh my god. What if that shit pops in here? Oh shit! I'm really kind of mad that you just took my sparkler. Da-da-da-da-dum, da-dum, da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum.